안녕하세요. I can only speak this Korean language. Anyway, so I try my best. So today I'm going to talk about the cloud-native AI infrastructures. I probably will share a lot of case studies with you, from China as well. So let me start. Okay, so the first one I want to share with you is that even when OpenAI start their infrastructure, they actually use Kubernetes already. So it's the way of building the latest AI infrastructure in the world. And in this case, you can see that it's actually from our CNCF report. OpenAI have Kubernetes scale to 7,500 nodes. Of course, right now it's more than that. But the thing I want to share with you today is because even like Hugging Face or OpenAI or some other LLM in the world, from the start, they look at cloud native and AI together. So that's how they can scale and also be more cost effective. So the definition of cloud native AI, or today we talk about AI infra, is actually, simply speaking, we run AI workloads, we train AI using the principle of cloud native. Because of the different benefits, I'm going to talk to you more about that. So the whole core competence of cloud-native AI is, I want to talk about that maybe in three ways. One is the whole cloud-native AI ecosystem. So because of the nature of cloud-native, it can be creating a very efficient, flexible, elastic, and scalable solution for the whole AI development and also the AI environment. And the core competence also combining containers, CI/CD, DevOps, of course, and also security, compliance, I love them. When you look at the whole CNAI landscape that is actually in the CNCF website, there are a lot of things that we talk about, and please go ahead to check the website, the CNAI landscape. And also in the future, we look at the real case that, for example, in China or elsewhere, almost a lot of companies, in our report, actually, more than 50% of the AI companies, they use cloud-native way to deploy AI and also training the AI model as well. So let me step by step to talk about the whole thing. So the first one is elasticity and scalability. So running AI infrastructure is actually important to have a more cost-effective way. So using the cloud-native way, automatic resource allocation, you can base on the real demand, and also you can save a lot of cost because it's not just expanding or scale your solution, but also contract the solution. Contract when the demands run low, or when the demands has a lot of demands suddenly, then you can scale up the whole solution, and also you can scale back. So that's why how you can save a lot of costs. And of course, the whole automatic resource allocation is also really important for the whole AI deployment. And the second way is that we accelerate the whole development cycles using CI/CD concept, and also we need to quickly respond to market demands. Do you know how many LLM models in China? It's actually more than 100. So the company they're facing a lot of competition. So it's very important to quickly respond to the market demands. That's how cloud-native can help. So that is why a lot of people, they are talking about not just just only AI application, but running the whole AI application and training using cloud-native. And also in the real world, by using multi-cloud resources is really important as well. This is one of the cost optimization way as well. So the whole cloud-native way is to enable you to use different kind of cloud resources. Public cloud, not just public cloud, and also hybrid cloud or even private cloud. The whole combination of cloud resources that you can use by using cloud-native technologies, then you can save a lot of costs So this is also very important for you to have a more scalable solution. The other thing is that resource allocation optimization that I just talked about, but there is a specific situation, and maybe not just China, but also around the world, even Europe. So the GPU resources, the GPU cost is really, really high. So even in the CNCF, there is a project, I will talk about it later, to support different kind of GPU natively. So resource allocation optimization using cloud native, and also reduce operation and maintenance costs. Because that is something very typical in cloud native, automatic operation and maintenance as well, to simplify the whole thing without any human intervention. So this is also how you can decrease or optimize whole cost. And of course, high availability and fault tolerance. This is again, the very standard features of cloud native. So how can you actually, in a lot of companies, when you talk to them, one of the key challenges of AI infra is how to do fault tolerance and also how to do observability. So this is also a key thing that CNCF is working on. We have different working group on that as well. So these are the whole thing that how we can do it cloud native way. So let's talk about not just why people use cloud native in AI infrastructure, and also the application of cloud native AI. I'm going to share with you some case study later. The first one is intelligent recommendation system. So I think you guys know about TikTok, right? Yeah? Okay. So TikTok actually backend, they use the cloud native way. That's how you can have elastic recommendation, also personalized recommendation. And in order to do this, you need to have real-time data assets, massive data assets as well. That's how TikTok use cloud native way, to enable them to quickly access massive data and provide personalized recommendation. And the second one is autonomous driving. This is also very important right now, and we see a lot of things going on here in this industry: edge, cloud, and AI. So combining edge computing and also cloud native technology and real-time data process, you can have a better intelligence, connected system, car, right? Autonomous driving. This is also like BYD. You know BYD? Yeah, okay. BYD and even Tesla, they're using this kind of cloud native way, edge plus cloud plus AI. And financial risk control. This is somehow, the banks, a lot of banks, they're using this for financial risk control. Again, this is something that we need real-time data access, and we need real-time risk monitoring system. So by using cloud native way, you can do this. So like ICBC, HSBC, SPD banks, a lot of banks actually like using this right now. The next one, the case study, I want to share with you a really crazy thing that was happened in May, like 3 months ago. It's like a Starlink China version. So in May, they launched a rocket to build up the whole computing satellite to build up the space-based intelligence computing infrastructure. What is more even exciting is they use one of the graduated project from CNCF called CubeFS. It was donated by JD.com. You know JD.com? Anyway, so it's like Amazon. So they actually donated this project, and actually they're using, it's a distributed storage system. So use this to provide the services, because in the space, even like radiation can create problems, can create data linkage issues. So that's why they use CubeFS to actually build up the whole infrastructure. The second thing is, I mentioned about the cloud, cloud resources that you can use, like hybrid cloud, multi-cloud as well, private cloud as well. This is the project, also a graduated project from CNCF called Kamada. It's used by Bilibili. I think you know Bilibili, right? Yeah. So they use this for multi-cloud management, and also, of course, in AI infrastructure. So there are a lot of Avivo, a cell phone company, iFi, so a lot of banks as well, and JD.com, of course. These are the companies that in China, they use Commander for multi-cloud. But it's not just from China, though. I see a lot of companies around the world donate to this project because it's a graduated project. It means it's not just China, but around the world. The other case I want to share with you is quite interesting one, and this is called Hemi. And actually, it's native support different kind of GPU, not just NVIDIA, but also some other GPU as well. So this is also donated in CNCF, and you guys can use it. It's open source. And if any GPU companies in Korea, then you can use this project to support your GPU infrastructure natively. So, and the other one is the first inference system based on Kubernetes. This is called AI Bricks. It's donated by, it's actually open source. It's not in the CNCF yet, but it's an open source project by ByteDance, top model companies, ByteDance. This is also the first one. It's actually right now in VLLM, and it's attract a lot of companies, even in US and Europe, to contribute together in this first Kubernetes-based inference systems. Okay, let's look at CNCF. There are right now more than 200 projects right now in CNCF, and 270,000 contributors around the world. And so we actually would like to have more AI projects in CNCF. There's a lot of companies right now talking to CNCF about AI initiative as well. So we do have a report, research last year to ask people, hey, if you want to have if enterprise want to deploy Gen AI, what do you think about open source? Do you think open source is important for you to run Gen AI in your companies? And there are more than 80% companies that they think open source is really important for them to deploy Gen AI in their companies. So in this foundation, not just CNCF, the whole AI infrastructure, AI initiatives that we not only have CNCF but also Elephant and Data, also in CNCF, and PyTorch. You guys use PyTorch? So more than like 70% LLM use PyTorch. PyTorch also in CNCF, and we do have another like MOF to standardize, what is a good open source LLM model as well. These are the main initiative from Linux Foundation on the AI initiative. I mentioned about the CNAI landscape. This is the landscape. When you look at this landscape, of course, it will be more and more company and also projects. So it lists down all those AI infra related open source projects as well. So look at this, and you can find a lot of good projects. So we talk about a lot of good things, a lot of good examples, but we also have challenges. And this is somehow we attract a lot of companies to donate projects to how we can tackle this from complexity. So it's even because when we look at those AI developers, some of them they may not know cloud native. Even they don't even use Kubernetes. So how to combine those together, cloud native and also AI. So it actually integration increased the complexity and challenges. So we're working on a lot of like case studies, like training as well to tackle this problem. And of course, data security and privacy. There's one of the initiative from Linux Foundation called Open Data. So how we can tackle this. Because AI is all about data, right? The foundation of AI is actually data. How you can share data, how can you have a standard, even integrate with blockchain technologies, how to do DID as well. This is kind of thing that we need to tackle on the issue of data security and privacy. Model management and governance. As I mentioned, there's so many LLM right now in the world. We not just use one LLM. Maybe you use ChatGPT. We're using DeepSeek. We're using other LLM as well. In in the enterprise, even they have their own private LLM, right? Customized LLM. So how we can manage all those models, this is also one of the challenges that we are facing. And also the model governance strategy as well. So this is the thing that we need to tackle. So in CNCF, we have cognitive AI working group. People are talking about all those challenges, issues, and case study as well. So check this out. This is for the public. You can talk about. You can even contribute. You can even participate. This is a meeting that you can join as well. Okay. So how to equip yourself? Let me give you some ideas that Linux Foundation has been doing in terms of cognitive and also AI. So these are the training and certification that we launch, and please visit our booth in upper stair, 4th floor. So for example, the compliance things, security and compliance, Governo, and the most important one is CKA, Certified Kubernetes Administrator, and also CKS, CKAD. Those are the kind of key element of cognitive. So please check it out. And for today, thanks OpenInfra that we're gonna have a special program for you guys. By the way, it's a 40% discount. So it's a massive discount that you can enjoy all the attendees here today. This is a special code for you to have training and certification. So take a picture. If not, just go to upstairs. Okay. And we're gonna have community program partners as well. So in order to train more talents in Korea, we're actually recruiting community partner that help us to promote trainings and certification in Korea. So this is a special one that we offer to all the benefits to the community partners. So because there are a lot of communities here in Korea, and you have your friends, some of the KOL that you can refer companies or people to attend the trainings and certification. So please check this out. And it's only in China, in Korea right now. So let me just spend 3 more minutes to talk about one of the key things that certification program. So this is the Certified Kubernetes Conformance Program. So we just launched another one called AI Conformance Program. It's still under discussion right now. And it should be launched in KubeCon US in around November. But the whole thing, AI Conformance Program, also combined with Certified Kubernetes Conformance Program. It means if somebody tell you, hey, I'm going to have a Korea Kubernetes distribution. It's really good. It's customized for you. But you need to ask one question. Does your Kubernetes distribution is compatible with the open source one? It's really important because we're trying to fix the whole vendor locked-in thing, right? Without this, I don't know. I cannot sure whether that distribution is vendor locked in. So check this out. There are a lot of certified Kubernetes already around the world, more than 100. Okay. The last one I want to share with you is that if you're looking for a capable partners for you, so look for KCSP, Kubernetes Certified Service Provider. We do actually require them to pass the exam, the CK exam, at least 3 guys, in the company. And also they need to of course they need to offer the kind of services in Korea. There are about, actually a lot of companies right now, more than 240 companies in the world have got this certification. So check this out. Okay, thank you so much for today. Thank you.